Jaden, I want me. Why you make the chicken a fight you? No, sir.
Hey guys, so if you've been following my journey, you know that my kids and I have been apart for 4 years. And now that we're finally back together, we're just taking in every moment. So this week, I'll share with you kitchen moments as a family having dinner, and you cannot miss this one. Stay tuned for a very interesting experience that my daughter shared with me that she had at school.
Jaden, I want me. Why you make the chicken a fight you? No, sir.
I don't like using this knife.
But the thing is, it's breast you're cutting.
I know, but normally you just cut up the entire chicken and you cut off the breast when I eat.
Let me show you. Lord help you.
After I'm gonna cut chicken like this, the one time
You just need the breast, see? The fat part. That's it. So another day in the kitchen. I feel like I spend most of my days in the kitchen these days. But I love to cook, so it's not a problem. So today is Friday. I'm making Sabbath dinner / lunch. I'm gonna do some baked potatoes with broccoli. I'm gonna do it in like a casserole style, and I'm doing barbecue chicken. Well, I don't like to touch the chicken with my bare hands. So thank God for gloves. Yeah, so I'm also gonna do some Jello shots. Not Jello shots, but Jello in shot cups. And I bought this sparkling cranberry just to see it will kind of give a little oomph. See if it will taste any different, right? So yes, and Miss Malia is in the kitchen helping me today. I think I'm gonna let her do the Jello. Come girl, come and read the instructions. You have to learn to cook. You think you have your pretty looks?
Yes.
So Malia did a really great job with the jellos. With making the jello, we ended up making the 2 boxes of jello, the lime flavored and the strawberry. And each of them gave us like 10 cups, 10 of the little shot cups. And they were really, really, really delicious. So she's not a buffand after all. So that's the finished product, the barbecue chicken and the baked potato with broccoli and some cheese. And now it was time to share dinner.
Yeah, then where's your ones again?
Thigh and another.
Okay. And what you say you want wing?
And another piece.
Does you want leg?
And another piece.
Alright. Hey. Me can't keep up with it. That's where me too can't feed them. No, sir. And another piece. Of course, leg tiny. You can't see with that. How is it?
Good. Good. I don't taste it. I don't taste it that way.
Yeah, good. Okay, so I'm cool. In His glory. Come and sit. I shall see the King and forever endless praises sing. 'Twas on Calvary, sing, died for me. I shall see the King someday.
There was a man of the Pharisee named Nicodemus.
Nicodemus,
Nicodemus, a ruler of the
Jews. Go over here.
Jews. This man came to Jesus by night and said to him, Rabbi, we know that you are a teacher come from God, for no one can do these signs that you unless God is with them.
So Nicodemus came to Jesus by night. That's what he said. Continue.
Jesus answered and said to him, Assuredly, I say to you, Unless one is born again, he cannot see the kingdom of God. Nicodemus said to him, how can a man be born when he is old? Can he enter a second time into his mother's womb? In fairness, even though I'm small, I can still beat.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Hey. You know what? So are you have strength family? Even though I'm smart, I can still beat you. Me like him confident. Malia, them they ready, man.
So a little boy at school told my daughter that even though he's small, he could still beat her. Good morning.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you.
His heart was broken, mine was mended.